Hello, today we will guide you through how to copy a Framer template to my account. First, open your web browser and search for Framer. You're looking for the official site, which should appear at the top of the results. Framer is a visual web design platform, and their marketplace hosts a wide range of templates you can duplicate into your own account. Click through to the homepage so we can get started. Once you're on the Framer site, take a moment to let the page load fully. Depending on your setup, you may see prompts to sign in or create an account. You can continue browsing without doing anything yet. Just know that when you copy a template, Framer may ask you to sign in so it can place the project in your workspace. Next, find the section for free website templates. This is typically accessible from the main navigation or via the marketplace area. Selecting the free templates category ensures you're browsing options that you can use without an upfront purchase. It's a great way to experiment, learn the editor, and start quickly. Now browse the selection. You'll see a grid of templates with thumbnails, names, and often short descriptions. Take your time here. Hover over items to see quick details and open any that catch your eye. If you're comparing several, it helps to open them in separate tabs so you can evaluate design style, layout options, and the number of pages included. Many templates offer a live preview, so use that to check responsiveness and interactions before committing. When you found a template you like, click it to open the template's detail page. Here, you'll usually see an overview, screenshots, and sometimes notes from the creator about what's included. This page is useful for confirming that the template matches your needs, whether that's a portfolio, a landing page, or a blog. If a live demo is available, test a few pages to make sure the structure and components align with your goals. Finally, click the Use for Free button. Framer will prepare a copy of the template for your account. If you aren't signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. After a brief import, the editor opens with your own version of the template. From here, it's your project, and any edits you make won't affect the original in the marketplace. That's it. You searched for Framer, entered the site, opened free website templates, browsed, selected a template, and used it for free. Now it lives in your account, ready for customization whenever you are.